Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I am making the bed.
I am making the bed.
I am changing the pillowcase.
I am changing the pillowcase.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am mopping the floor.
I am mopping the floor.
I am vacuuming the carpet.
I am vacuuming the carpet.
I am feeding the pets.
I am feeding the pets.
I am taking out the trash.
I am taking out the trash.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am washing the dishes.
I am washing the dishes.
I am dusting the furniture.
I am dusting the furniture.
I am ironing the clothes.
I am ironing the clothes.
I am wiping the counters.
I am wiping the counters.
I am decorating the house.
I am decorating the house.
I am washing the car.
I am washing the car.
I am doing the laundry.
I am doing the laundry.
I am folding the laundry.
I am folding the laundry.
I am setting the table.
I am setting the table.
I am hanging out the laundry.
I am hanging out the laundry.
I am painting the fence.
I am painting the fence.
I am mowing the lawn.
I am mowing the lawn.
I am cleaning the windows.
I am cleaning the windows.
I am raking the leaves.
I am raking the leaves.
I am sweeping the porch.
I am sweeping the porch.
I am replacing the light bulbs.
I am replacing the light bulbs.
I am baking a cake for dessert.
I am baking a cake for dessert.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market.
I am fixing the leaky faucet.
I am fixing the leaky faucet.
I am blending a smoothie.
I am blending a smoothie.
I am wrapping a gift.
I I am wrapping a gift.
I am arranging the closet.
I am arranging the closet.
I am unpacking the groceries.
I am unpacking the groceries.
I am watering the flowers.
I am watering the flowers.
I am chopping the wood.
I am chopping the wood.
I am brewing coffee.
I am brewing coffee.
I am drying the dishes.
I am drying the dishes.
I am scrubbing the floor.
I am scrubbing the floor.
I am vacuuming the floor.
I am vacuuming the floor.
I am clearing the table.
I am clearing the table.
I am moving the furniture.
I am moving the furniture. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.